What's going on, guys? Joy 400 back with another Vnotes. Today we're going to install my new radiator. It's the Evo X Edition 3-port MISHIMOTO radiator. Can't wait. Get some lower temps. I'm just waiting on the radiator cap. Just waiting on the radiator cap. It's supposed to be here by today, but UPS is fucking up. So, I'm going to HP Logic. See you guys there. Hey, the HP. Let's go check out this radiator. Oh, look at this. Radiator, as my dad would call it, radiator, is in. Let's open this baby up. This is the 3-port. Kind of excited. I hope it came with a radiator cap. If it didn't, I have one that's coming in today, and it should be here before 7. Focus. There it is. All right, let's open this baby up. A lot of packaging here. That's good. Nice and safe. There you have it. Pretty thick. Yeah. Lifetime warranty. Okay. That's about it. It's in here. Got some stickers. Ooh, nice air freshener. Alrighty. Well, at HP Logic. If I was in here, I'm gonna take off this quickly install the radiator. Pretty self-explanatory. Oh. Take off this, and then you have to take off this radiator support. Just a few bolts there. Gotta take off the upper intercooler pipe. This part. Well, yeah. And then drain the coolant. Take off the lines, obviously. And then I should be able to pull it out. I don't think I have to take off the bumper, but we'll get there soon. So, start. Damn. Obviously, you have to take off the bumper because you have to get to this. So, I don't know why I said I couldn't do it without taking off the bumper. I'm an idiot. So, we took this off. Boom, boom, boom. Take that one off, too. This thing should pop off. I don't think there's any other this is connected to. Take that one and that one off. That's it. You don't want to scratch stuff, you know? So, just move the radiator support to the side. Here it is. There's a hose on the bottom, hose on the top, and we got to drain it first. And that's about it. And you got this too. Oh shit. I'll have to go higher. There we go. Look at all that shit in there, dude. Can't reuse this. Radiator's out. Did it all by myself. Got pretty good. I could just edit it, you know?
You can?
Yep. So let's do a comparison.
Gonna make a mess. Okay, we got. Leo says you're gonna make a mess.
You can grab that one. It's heavy. You might need to use 2 hands.
I'll get both hands going. It's not that. It's big. Boy. It's a big boy.
Put it down next to it and you see it. Yeah. Ooh.
Damn, you're sponsored by Mishimoto?
Yeah, now I am.
Snap.
Car parts too.
Look at that.
Ooh. Ooh.
Sizable difference, I'd say.
Yeah.
Look at the core. You can see the core here is like an inch, maybe, and change. And this is 7 inches.
Ooh, those are the inches I use.
Just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, those are the inches I use.
So much wider core here.
Yeah.
That's really good. That's gonna help out. And look at the end tanks too. A lot deeper end tanks, a lot bigger. I think this all together.
Look at these hose. Oh,
yeah.
papi.
Nice hose.
Yeah. Hose.
Yeah, he really likes that hose.
Yeah.
Does this? Oh, I see. So
yeah,
this stays on a fan.
Yeah, you take this off, put it on that one.
I mean, that's a big difference. That's gonna fit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Direct bolt on, baby. Let's do it.
Very nice. Very.
All right. Hands are installed. Put the brackets on. And for installation. All right. Radiator is installed. Can't really see it, but look how much wider it is. It pushes it all the way a little bit farther towards the motor a little bit. That's why this coolant hose is pretty close. Got everything ready. Gonna go ahead and fill up the coolant, make sure to burp the system with the heater on. And this actually takes an extra quart, I believe, coolant, maybe more. And then my radiator cap came in today at my house, so I'm going to go to my house, go pick that up and put it on. It's a 28 PSI one. So let's let it rip. Situated. Tommy finished my splitter. We ended up just cutting the top portion. Now he's coming over here. He's going to check out how to fix these. So then I can install this. The rods are at the house, so we have to figure out where we're going to drill the holes, but I could do that myself. It's not the hardest thing in the world. And that's it. All right, so we cut the front of the bumper and we made it nice and even here because it was a little short, but we pushed the bumper back. We're going to drill new holes, and then we're going to figure out something to do here. Probably going to put a hole in there and hole in there, but we're going to go ahead and drill holes and then line it up. Back. So now I just have to measure. The rods come from here, go right to here, and I got to drill a hole, put the rods on. I got to take the bumper off as well to put the rods through. That's it. Just got home, got a package from the MA Performance, and there we go, radiator cap. I think it's 28 PSI, I believe. And install this, pressure 2.0 bar, so I think it's 28. Let's go ahead and install this baby. Nice little case it came in. Pretty cool. Oh, that's hard to push down. All right. Hopefully this does the trick. All right, got the bumper off. I'm lining the rods now. Line it up, drill a hole, washer and nut, we're good to go. Just like that. Rods are on. I'm gonna install on bumper and go for a rip and check out this new radiator cap I just put on. Hopefully the coolant doesn't go through the overflow. If it does, then I don't even want to think about that actually. So I did 4 pulls, 3 pulls. For some reason, I'm not on high boost. I'm not hitting 33 PSI. I'm only hitting 24 PSI. So I did 3 pulls, came back, hard pulls, first, second, third, no coolant whatsoever. It was in the reservoir. On the 4th pull, I came back and, well, it was actually 5 pulls because on the 4th when I went, made a U-turn and came again, nailed it, 24 PSI, and the coolant was only halfway full, or halfway empty, whatever you want to say. So that's a good sign because, I mean, if the head was cracked, it would be leaking a lot. If the head was lifting, it wouldn't be lifting it at this low boost. So I guess we just have a coolant issue, which is good. The radiator is doing a really good job. The radiator cap is doing a really good job. The hoses are, you know, I wouldn't say swelled, but, you know, filling up with boiling coolant, which makes them somewhat hard. I can still squeeze them and everything. So, I mean, I guess we're in a good direction to say that it's not the head, but, you know, only time will tell. We're going to go with Evans coolant, and basically it's a waterless coolant. And, you know, I think the boiling temp on that is like fucking 400 degrees or something. So, heading in the right direction, but we definitely have to figure out this boost situation. I would like to hit 33 PSI and see what happens. If I could do 4 pulls without it, you know, draining into the reservoir only halfway, that means I can go on the dyno, we can start dyno tuning and see what's going on with, you know, jacking the computer and, you know, see if we have any knock or anything like that. I don't think we do. The car is running great. It's not overheating, nothing. So, anyway. So hopefully the next video, I keep saying this, hopefully the next video is going to be dyno, but, you know, we're just conquering problems. So like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. And also, I do have a TikTok now. So TikTok is going to be Joey__400. And I'll be posting videos on there. I'm still learning how to use it, so whatever. But I put my intro on there, so follow me on that. See you guys next one. Peace out.